a lot is riding on Rahul Gandhi for the Congress as it hopes that their star campaigner can turn the tide for them. Now, when it comes to the implosion, however, within the India bloc is concerned, seems to be a major headache for them. Something that makes the Union Home Minister Amit Shah thunder that the BJP this time will make a significant comeback.
महाराष्ट्र की विजय ने 1978 से शरद पवार जी ने जो दगा फटका की राजनीति शुरू की थी, उसको 20 फुट जमीन में दफनाने का काम आप लोगों ने किया। उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने हमारे साथ जो द्रोह किया था, 2019 को विचारधारा छोड़ी थी और बाला साहब ठाकरे के सिद्धांतों को छोड़ा था। झूठ फरेब कर मुख्यमंत्री बने थे, आपने उनकी जगह बताने का काम किया है।
Well, Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now. Good morning, Pradeep. Now, finally, we'll see Rahul Gandhi just weeks from when the first vote is cast. However, there are other leaders who will start to file their nomination very soon. Rahul Gandhi is expected to make his first political appearance today.
Yes, you're absolutely right. 3 weeks are left for the elections, and today we'll be seeing Rahul Gandhi starting his campaign trail from Silampur area. As you rightly said, this was earlier considered to be the hot bastion for Congress party, and over the period of time we've seen that Aam Aadmi party was able to make inroads, and their MLA used to be there for Abdul Rahman, who had just resigned last month only. When I interacted with him last month, he said that one, that the Muslims were completely ignored by Arvind Kejriwal, and second, he said that he used to wait for about 4 months to get appointment from Arvind Kejriwal. It was not that easy for him to meet Arvind Kejriwal. That means he was in fact trying to say Arvind Kejriwal was totally inaccessible. That was the reason that he had resigned from the party, and the very same day he had joined Congress, and he's going to be Congress candidate from that area. Look at the theme of this, in fact, the rally that Rahul Gandhi is going to address during the campaign trail, where he will be meeting with the people, Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, and Jai Samvidhan. Because over the period of time we have seen that Rahul Gandhi keeps on always hitting out at the BJP, that they are trying to dilute constitution. They have forgotten the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi, and they have no respect for even the Baba Rao Ambedkar also, because recently we have seen that there was a statement by Amit Shah that had become quite controversial, though Amit Shah said that was basically being distorted by the opposition party leader because they wanted to create animosity and hatred among a particular section of the society. But yes, one thing is quite interesting, that obviously people during the last few weeks there had been a chatter about Rahul Gandhi's foreign visit, but now they will be seeing Rahul Gandhi back for the campaign trail, though the Congress party says that Rahul Gandhi had been there, he had been going to the barber shop, he had been with the potter, he was in the Sabzi Mandi. But so far as the campaign is concerned, this will be his first visit, and the first time he will be seen campaigning for the party, and let's see to what extent he will be able to turn the tide in favor, because already there's an anti-incumbency against Aam Aadmi party also, and BJP is also making aggressively trying to make comeback, because it will be after 25 years. Right. BJP thinks that they will be able to come back and be in power. But yes, the very important thing is that we have seen that Amit Shah has already attacked the Congress party and INDA bloc. He says that INDA bloc seems to be diminishing. INDA bloc is crumbling under pressure, and it's not the time.
So hitting the campaign trail with renewed vigor, of course, as we are looking at the party star campaigner Rahul Gandhi is concerned, will be making his first political appearance today from the Silampur.